Hi, it's Allison Waken here at Scrapbook.com, and we are looking at the baby girl card packs. There's the 4x6 and 3x4 card packs. You can also get journaling cards in 3x4 and 4x6 as well. The 4x6 comes in vertical or horizontal. But the baby girl cards are double-sided, and the 4x6 card pack comes with 24 double-sided 4x6 cards. And they have different patterns and pictures on each side. It's a thicker cardstock with a really great color palette that coordinates with a lot of different things. So the 3x4 album cards come in a pack of 12, and they are also double-sided. Different pictures and patterns on each side, the same great thick cardstock, great color. So let's make a couple of easy projects, and I'll show you some different ways to use these. So first, let's make a 12x12 scrapbook page. So there's birthday cards and different themes in here, so they work really great for all kinds of girl projects. So I'm going to pick out some patterns. So sweet. And some colors, and we're going to layer them up. And then we'll add in some of these patterns and colors from the cards, along with some pattern paper that I'm going to cut up. So the journaling cards can be for journaling, but they also make a great little mat if you want to kind of highlight a photo. So I think I'm going to use this card. Has a little saying down here. It says, "Hello, beautiful girl." So I think I'm going to kind of use that as a title on this page. And just going to layer it up with some of these cards. You can cut it, use punches, you can use them in your die cut machine, use it just like you would pattern paper, but it's such a smaller, more accessible size. So if you're needing to kind of do a quick project, I love using them for that. Add this little layer in there. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and adhere some of these layers. And I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. So just a quick little journal. And the scrapbook page is done. So super simple and easy. You can make it as involved as you want and use it just like you would any other pattern paper. It's a little bit thicker, so it makes a really great layers if you're using that to make a sturdy scrapbook page. So another project you can do using the baby girl pack is a fun little book that you can give as a gift. These are great for baby showers or just as a gift to a new mom. And so I'm going to start with a card, an already pre-folded, pre-printed card, and I'm going to add some pages. So you can add more pre-printed cards. They make nice, really thick pages. And basically you're just going to staple them all together like a little book. So this is going to be the beginning of our book or album. It's like a little baby memory album. We can add one of the cards from the card pack to the front. And add another staple, finish off this book. So I'm just simply going to adhere some of these cards in here. And then we will decorate the front and tie it all up. And it makes a perfect, simple little journaling book or baby book. So simple, and then we'll tie it all up with a string to kind of help keep it closed and finish off the gift. Just tying a simple little bow. And that's it. So easy, just a simple little gift that you can give to mom for a baby shower or after baby's born. So last, I'm just going to make an easy baby shower card. So kind of the same idea as with the book. These cards have such great little prompts and titles on them that they make great, quick little cards. So you want to start with a card base and just one of these cards. So I'm just going through and seeing what might make a good card at the front. There's so many. Maybe some polka dots as a background. And that's it. Simple little card that's handmade and something you can add to any gift for a baby shower. There are a lot of other great card packs to choose from that help you finish a lot of different projects. What are you going to make next?